Organic analysis: how to oxidize alcohols using acidified potassium dichromate. Add 10 drops of alcohol. Again, no, I'm not going to say anything. Add 10 drops of alcohol to 7 cubic acidified potassium dichromate in a test tube or mix gently hot water bath. Watch for color change. Color change: primary alcohol, orange solution slowly turns green. Same for secondary. Yep. But the color change happens because the orange dichromate ion is reduced to a green chromium 3 ion. Distinguish between the same result when we need to add excess alcohol to 7 cubic acidified potassium dichromate in a round bottom flask. Gently heat the flask. Alcohol will be oxidized first, and therefore the product is distilled immediately, so we can collect it. So we add 2 cm³ of Failing / Benedict solution to a test tube. Add 5 drops of aldehyde ketone. Place test tube hot water bath. Aldehyde ketone. Blue solution gives a brick red precipitate of copper 2 oxide. The original color of this is deep blue copper 2 pluses complexes, which comes up in aldehyde ketones again in the CTP book. So it's just a good review, so I can get rid of that flashcard. How to make tolerance region. So we add 2 cm³ of 0.1 or moles per day minus cube of silver nitrate solution test tube. Add few drops of dilute sodium hydroxide and light brown precipitate forms. Add drops of dilute ammonia until brown precipitate dissolves completely. And then how to use it: while you add 2 cm³ tolerance region, place test tube with hot water bath. Add 10 drops of aldehyde ketone aldehyde. Because we've already got the silver mirror, the tolerance region in the test tube, now we're going to place test tube with hot water bath. Add 10 drops of aldehyde ketone. Silver mirror forms the walls of test tube. Because the aldehyde reduces 80 plus ion silver atoms. Yeah. Again, this came up on the what's it called? Aldehyde ketones topic. Test for alkyl bromine water. Add 2 cm³ of sushi water. Test tube. Add 2 cm³ of bromine water. Test tube. Shake test tube. Orange bromine water turns colorless. Yeah, this one I'm gonna get rid of. Come on, guys. You should know that one by now. Honestly, come on. If you don't know that one by now, I can't help you. Just stop watching my videos. Come on, that's GCSE as well. Test for carboxylic acid. Add 2 cm³ of solution you want to test to a test tube. Add 1 small spatula of solid sodium carbonate. Solution begins first bubbled gas produced through lime water in the second test tube. Carboxylic acid test will give a positive result with any acid, so therefore we need to make sure, or we can only use it to distinguish between organic compounds when you know one of them is carboxylic acid. Molecular iron produces a molecular iron peak and mass spectrum of compound, and the compound mass charge value of molecular iron peak is the same molecular mass of compound. High resolution mass spectrometers which can measure atomic and molecular masses to several decimal places. The use of identified compounds have the same MR when run to the nearest whole number. The peaks show you when irradiation is being absorbed, and they point downwards. So many students forget this. They point downwards. All my days, like they're looking like when the ones that go up. No, they point downwards. Infrared spectroscopy: a beam of infrared radiation passes through simple chemical bicovalent bonds, increases vibrational energy. Bonds in different places in the molecule. Again, I don't think you need to know this part, because I'm just going to pull up the spec right now. And honestly, guys, we haven't got that much time until paper 2. We have got how long? 2 days? So it says bonds in a molecule absorb infrared radiation. Yep. Fingerprinting, identification of a molecule by comparison of spectra. But yeah, not bonds in different places of molecule. And then the fingerprint region, very, very important. The region between 500 centimeters to power minus 1500 centimeters to power minus is unique to a particular compound, and impurities produce extra peaks in the fingerprint region. So it could give you a fingerprint region, and it would say state why this fingerprint region has, or state what these extra peaks in the fingerprint region suggest. It suggests it has impurities.